How to fix iPhone notification not working after iOS 17 update. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Scroll down. Hit towards the option of battery. Once you find it, open it. Make sure you have toggle off for this option of low power mode. Likewise, open your control center. You'll see the option of focus. Make sure you have disabled focus mode. Once you check these settings, now let's jump into the solutions. Come to the main page of settings. Scroll down. Open the option notifications. Now scroll down. Over here you're gonna find all the apps that are installed in your device. Now head towards the app in which you are facing this issue. Toggle on for this option of allow notifications. Likewise, check in for the option of lock screen, notification center and banners. Also toggle on for these options, sound and badges. Once you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, head back to the main page of settings. Open this option screen time. Head towards the option of content and privacy restrictions. Toggle off for this option of content and privacy restrictions. Now head back. Come to the main page of settings. Open the option general. Scroll all the way down. Click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset. Click on reset all settings. Now enter your passcode over here and continue with the process. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix iPhone notification not working after iOS 17 update. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.